Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are unboxing and giving away 6 mystery squishy dumplings. And if you are interested in entering the giveaway, stay tuned to the end of the video. So we've got 6 mystery dumplings. Let me see if I can get this without knocking the pyramid over. We've got our packaging. It says Rainbow Mystery. And it says Squishy Bun. Will you find the super rare golden glitter dumpling? Question mark, exclamation mark. What color will you get? Squishy Fidget Fun. 1 set sugar edition. On the side, we got Rainbow Mystery. Will you find the super rare golden glitter dumpling? Will you find the super rare golden glitter dumpling? And some writing on the back and Rainbow Mystery. So I'm assuming these are our dumpling selections. And let's see what we get. Okay, let me see if I can do this without. Okay, there we go. Without further ado, let's get out our blind box scale and see what we get today. Okay, so I'm gonna have to destroy the pyramid. I know. My bad. Okay, let's see now. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's turn it to the side. No planning was done in this. Okay. Number 1. 5.170. Number 2, 8.60. Number 3, 8.58 ounces. Number 4, 4.820. Number 5, 5.190. Number 6, 8.680. Let's turn off our blind box scale. And we thank you, blind box scale. You may go now. So as you all know, we always arrange them from the one that weighs the least to the one that weighs the most. Not that it matters. You're all special in your own special way. This is just for scientific purposes. Okay, so let's see. Let's build our little pyramid again. But what we will do is we'll take the one that weighs the most to the one that weighs the least. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna try the pyramid. I'll just lay them this way. We'll make a halfway pyramid. Okay. I'm leaving you there. I'm leaving you where you stand. Okay. Number 1. I'm gonna go with orange. Let's see what we get. Okay. And we got, pink. This is what it looks like. We got the pink blush. There's the top of our dumpling. There's the bottom. Here's what it looks like. And we got squish, squish, squish. We got the pink one. We'll just set you right there. You're not next. No. No. Number 2. I'm guessing this green one. Let's see what we got. Okay, and we got, oh, we got the bluish green one. I like this color. This is the face, the little blushy. The little blush is so cute with the little rainbow. I call them upside down rainbow smile. There's the top of our dumpling. Reminds me of like a starfish or an octopus. Let's do our 360. There's the bottom. Let's do our squish test. Squish, squish, squish. That reminded me of Gak, that sound just then. Okay. Now it's your turn. Okay. Number 3. I'm going with the dark blue one. Okay. Now we're opening you. And we got, oh, we got the yellow, one of my other favorite colors. We got the face with the little blush, the little upside down rainbow smile. This is the top, our little starfish pattern. Let's do our 360. There's the bottom. Let's do our squish test. Squish, squish, squish. We got the yellow. Okay, let me move this over. We're gonna start our pyramid now. Okay, number 4. This one is heavy. I'm thinking this may be the glitter one, or maybe it's the gold one. Fingers crossed. Let's see what we got. I'm guessing the red. It's gonna be red. We got, oh, a pink one. And it's got all kinds of glitter and stuff on it. It's a glitter storm. Here's our face. Uh-oh. We got the rainbow eyes, I call them, with the circle blush with the tongue sticking out. Let's do this. There's the bottom. There's the top. Let's do our squish, 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 squish. Got the pink one. Okay. We're getting our pyramid together. And now we got number 5, another heavy one. I'm guessing the green one. Let's see what we got. We got, oh my. Well, I was actually right for once. Sorry, I had to bend way down there to get that. We got the green one, and this one is healthy. Honey, you took up that whole container. This is the green one. This is what it looks like, giving you the 360. There's the top, there's the bottom. Let's see what this one squishes like. Oh, it's got them little Zorbies in it. Squish, squish, squish. Okay, it's got glitter and little Zorbies in it. Okay, our final one, last pack magic. I'm gonna guess the purple one. Okay, let's see what we got. Our 6th and final one, we got, oh, okay. We got another one, but this one's just glitter. Okay, your twin, where have you been? There's the blush, there's the face. Let's do the 360. There's the top, some kind of extra piece of plastic there. Okay, our starfish. There's the bottom. Let's give it a squish, squish, squish. Glitter storm. there's that, and that's our 6th one. Let's go to the containers, make it look presentable. And that is today's unboxing. So if you are interested in trying to win today's unboxing, make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, The Unboxing Potato 87, and a random commenter will be chosen as the winner of today's unboxing. I thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.